class, let's move on to the chapter number 4th. Chapter number 4th is cube and cube roots. Now first of all, let's discuss what is the cube. When you multiply a number, say a, when you multiply a 3 times, it becomes a raised to the power 3. So this is the a cube. Now let's take example of 2. Multiply 2 3 times. It is 2 raised to the power 3. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And answer is 8. So we can say 8 is the cube of 2. 8 2 का cube है. Now what is the cube of 3? It is 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27. So 27 is the cube of 3. This is cube. When you multiply that number 3 times. Now what is the perfect cube? Now next term we have is perfect cube. Just like the perfect square, when you express any number as the product of 3 number, when you can express any number as product of 3 numbers, it will be a perfect cube. Now let's see an example. See 125. Okay, we can express 125 as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So this 125 is a perfect cube. Here 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 is a perfect cube. जिस भी नंबर को आप exactly 3 नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लाई में दिखा सकते हो वो perfect cube है. Now let's find out if a given number is a perfect cube or not. Now see question number. This question. Let's prove it is a perfect cube. दिखाना है कि 216 is a perfect cube. How we can show? First do the prime factorization. Do the prime factorization. 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 2s are 4, 10. So what are the factors of 216? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now see स्क्वायर में हमने दो नंबर्स के पेयर बनाए थे. इधर क्यूब है तो वी विल मेक द पेयर ऑफ 3 सेम नंबर्स. ओके, एंड वी कैन एक्सप्रेस दिस. जब इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, pair of it is a pair of 3 2s and pair of 3 3s. 6. 216 is a, okay, or you can see here only. You can express it in the cube of numbers. So it is a perfect square. Sorry, it is a perfect cube. ये 2 का एक यूनिट लिया 2 और इसका इस पेयर का एक यूनिट लिया 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So 216 is the cube of 6. Now see another question. See student here, evaluate 0.8 cube. We can write it as 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Okay, just multiply 8 into 8 into 8. It is 512. And how many digits were there after the decimal? डेसिमल के बाद कितनी डिजिट थी? 1 2 3. यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट, यहाँ भी टोटल 3 डिजिट है. तो आंसर में 3 डिजिट पहले हम पॉइंट पुट कर देंगे. दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट क्यूब ऑफ 1. वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 0.1. 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 इज 1. एंड पॉइंट के बाद टोटल कितने डेसिमल्स हैं? डेसिमल के बाद टोटल कितनी डिजिट है? 3. सो वी विल पुट 0.3 डिजिट बिफोर दिस. नाउ स्टूडेंट सी, इफ रूट 1/2 का स्क्वायर करना है देन इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. 1 into 2 1/2 का क्यूब करना है देन वी विल राइट इट and multiply it simply. So cube of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 8. Now see student here. Exercise 4A, question number 4. Which of the following number are perfect cube? You have to find in the given number which are the perfect cube and find the whose cube is the given number is. पहले फाइंड करना है कि ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं है, अगर है तो किसका परफेक्ट क्यूब है. लेट्स टेक दिस 343. See students, on doing the prime factorization of 343 we got 7 into 7 into 7. That means it is a perfect cube of 7. We can write it as 343 is the perfect cube of 7. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 5. Which of the following are the cube of even number? Remember, the cube of even number is always even and the cube of odd number is always odd. So even numbers are this. तो इनका जो क्यूब होगा वो even होगा and the cubes of odd number are always odd. So these are the odd number. तो इनका क्यूब क्या होगा? odd होगा. Now let's move on to question number 7. Find the smallest number by which 1323 be multiplied so that its product is a perfect cube. हमें इसे perfect cube बनाना है, तो इसे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें so that it will be a perfect cube? Now see question number 7. Here 1323. First find out its prime factorization. See, on doing the prime factorization, the factors we got are 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. If you make the pair here, this is making a perfect cube. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक 7 कम है, तो अगर हम यहाँ पर एक 7 मल्टीप्लाई कर दें देन ये एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाएगा. तो 1323 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 7. क्या मल्टीप्लाई करके इसे एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बनाएंगे? अगर हम इसे 7 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो इट विल बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब ऑफ 21. तो 7 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट विल बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय विच 1600 मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड? लास्ट क्वेश्चन में मल्टीप्लाई करना था, इस क्वेश्चन में डिवाइड करना है टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. फर्स्ट let's do the prime factorization. Here on doing prime factorization we got factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now make pair of 3 numbers. This यहाँ पर डिवाइड करना है हमें इस क्वेश्चन में, तो दिस इज 5. दिस 5 into 5 is extra. So if we divide 5 into 5 it is 25. If we divide 1600 by 25 it will be a perfect square. The answer will be the perfect square. Now divide. So on dividing 1600 by 25 we got 64 and this is a perfect cube of 4 into 4 into 4. तो इन क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा था 1600 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब? वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 25. स्टूडेंट लर्न अ फॉर्मूला. a plus b cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now student learn this in the same sequence. You cannot do these terms आगे पीछे. The order should be same. Using this formula you can find the cube of 2-digit number. इसका यूज करके 2-digit number को हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Now see, we have to find the cube of 29. It is a 2-digit number. We will use the formula a plus b whole cube. It is a cube 3ab square 3b square a and b square B cube. This 29 is A, 2 is A and B is 9. Now cube of A, that is cube of 3. 3 into 2 into, this is wrong, this, into 9. 3 into A 9 square into 2 and 9 cube. On solving you will get 8, 108, 486 and 729. Now student, start from the last column. Underline the unit place and pass the remaining digit in the next column. They will get add here. Now underline the unit place and send the other digits on the next column. Underline the unit place and send the 16 in the next column. Now we will take this 24 complete and बाकी कॉलम से सारी यूनिट प्लेस की डिजिट्स. This is the cube of 29. Learn how to find the square root. How to find the cube root. The sign of cube root is this. Suppose we have to find the cube root of 64. We will write it as like this. How to find it? Do the prime factorization. After doing prime factorization, write the factors under the cube root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now make pairs of 3 number. 3 सेम नंबर के ग्रुप बनाने हैं. 3 सेम नंबर का एक ग्रुप बन गया. Now on removing this cube root, we will take this as 1. ये 3 2 एक यूनिट है और ये 3 2 एक यूनिट है, तो 2 into 2 it is 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. Now if a number negative is there, you have to find its cube root. इस माइनस की निकालनी है, then we will write it as like this. Okay. Now let's see an example. You have to find the cube root of minus 1000. First we will take the minus sign outside and do the prime factorization of 1000. On doing the prime factorization, we got factors 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. Now make the pair. 3 सेम नंबर का एक पेयर, 3 सेम नंबर का एक पेयर. On removing this cube root, minus sign will be there and 2 into 5. So the cube root of minus 1000 is minus 10. Now see, if we have fraction, if we have to find the cube root of a upon b, we can write it cube root of a and cube root of b. Example, see here, 216 cube root upon, so we can write it as cube root of 216 and cube root of 2197. Now find the prime factors of each number separately. On prime factorization, we will get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. On the prime factorization of this, we will get 13 into 13 into 13. Now make the pair of 3 numbers. It is the first unit and it is the second. It is 1. So on removing the cube root sign, it is 2 upon 3 and it is 13. 16 upon 3. Find the cube root of minus 27 upon 125. First of all, we can write it like this, cube root of 27 and cube root of 125. Do the prime factorization. On prime factorization, we will get 3 into 3, minus sign will be out, and 3. On doing the prime factorization, we will of 125, we will get factors 5 into 5 into 5. This is one unit and this is another. So on removing the side, we got this. So cube root of minus 27 upon 125 is minus 3 upon 4.